Assalamualaikum. I am Mahmuda. Today I will discuss configuring site-to-site IPSec VPN between Cisco routers. VPN. VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. A virtual private network is a network technology that creates a secure network connection over a public network. Two types of VPN: remote access VPN, site-to-site VPN. Site-to-site VPN Site-to-site VPN is also called router-to-router VPN and is commonly used in the large companies or organizations with branch offices in different locations. Use site-to-site VPN to connect the network of office location to the network at another office location. VPN protocol. Many types of VPN protocol. Internet Protocol Security IPSec Protocol. L2TP stands for Layer 2 Tunneling Protocol. PPTP Point-to-Point Tunneling Protocol. SSL and TLS. OpenVPN Secure Cell. Today I use site-to-site IPSec VPN. IPSec is used to secure internet communication across an IP network. IPSec secures internet protocol communication, authenticating both server and client side. Let's start configuring IPSec site-to-site VPN. First, setting IP. This is my topology. This router is headquarter, this branch router and ISP, Internet Service Provider router. Headquarter router, setting IP. CLI, enable configuration terminal. To entering the global configuration mode, interface fast Ethernet 0x0. This interface is fast Ethernet 0x0 interface. Fast Ethernet 0x0. IP address this interface IP address 10.1.1.1 10.1.1.1 subnet mask 255.0.0.0. This is class A IP. No shutdown command. No shut. Change state to up. Interface exit. This interface is up now. Then this interface serial 0x0x0. This interface is serial 0x0x0. IP address 50.1.1.2. 50.1.1.2. Subnet mask 255.0.0.0. Clock rate. This is serial DC cable. Then clock rate 64,000. Exit. No shutdown, no shut, exit. Then ISP router. Click CLI. Enable, router enable. Configuration terminal. Entering the global configuration mode. Interface serial 0 by 0 by 0. This interface is 0 by 0 by 0, 0 by 0 by 0. Enter. IP address. Assign IP address 50.1.1.1. Subnet mask 255.0.0.0. No shutdown. Exit. Then this interface name is interface serial 0 by 0 by 1. 0 by 0 by 1. IP address 60.1.1.1. Subnet mask 255.0.0.0. Clock rate 64,000. No shutdown. Exit. Then branch router CLI. Enable configuration terminal to entering the global configuration mode. Interface serial 0 by 0 by 1. This interface is serial 0 by 0 by 1. IP address 60.1.1.2. 60.1.1.2. Subnet mask 255.0.0.0. Exit. Then this interface fast Ethernet 0 by 0. IP address. Assign IP address 11.1.1.1. 11.1.1.1. 11.1.1.1. Subnet mask 255.0.0.0. No shutdown. Exit. Interface serial এখানে আপ হয়নি কারণ আমি এখানে নো শাটডাউন কমান্ডটি ব্যবহার করিনি এই ইন্টারফেসের ক্ষেত্রে। দেন again type the command ইন্টারফেস সিরিয়াল 0 বাই এই ইন্টারফেসটিকে আপ করতে হবে সিরিয়াল 0 বাই 1 IP address 60.1.1.2 255.0.0.0 no shutdown exit state to up the interface color change red to green exit routing between headquarter router and branch router. Headquarter router CLI enable configuration terminal to enter in global configuration mode. IP route zero dot zero dot zero dot zero any IP to any subnet mask 0.0.0.0. Go through the 50.1.1.1. Then branch router CLI enable configuration terminal CONFT configuration terminal IP route any IP 0.0.0.0 to any subnet mask 0.0.0.0. Go through the public IP 60.1.1.1 this IP. Okay, then routing ISP router CLI enable configuration terminal IP route this network IP 10.0.0.0 10.0.0.0 subnet mask 255.0.0.0. Go through 50.1.1.2 50.1.1.2. Then IP route for this network 11.0.0.0 subnet mask 255.0.0.0. Go through the public IP 60.1.1.2. Then my configuration is okay. Then Configuration site-to-site IPSec VPN on both headquarter router and branch router. First step to configure ISAKMP to establish the IKE. ISAKMP, Internet Security Association and Key Internet Security Association and Key Management Protocol. Configure ISAKMP to establish the IKE. First step to configure an ISAKMP. Headquarter router. Configure ISAKMP. Crypto ISAKMP policy put any of the number. It can be 1 to 10,000. Crypto ISAKMP policy, I apply 20. Authentication. Authentication. Which kind of authentication? Pcr. Pcr any Pcr key. Only one method. Pcr. Speech. Authentication. Pcr. Encryption. What are the type of encryption? 3DS, AES, DS. 3DS, 3 key, triple DS. I apply 3DES. Hash. Two type of hash algorithm. MD5, Message Digest 5 and SHA Secure Hash Standard. I apply MD5. Then apply group. Group 1, 2 and 5. Group can be 1, 2 and 5. I apply group 1. Lifetime. Lifetime. 60 to 86,400 lifetime. Any value I apply 3600 3600. Exit. First step is complete. Configuration ISAKMP. Then next step. Next we are going to define a Pcr key for authentication with our pair branch router by using the command crypto ISAKMP key. Any key, you can write any key. I choose Cisco 123. Address headquarter router to branch router. Branch router public IP is 60.1.1.2. 60.1.1.2. Every time headquarter router tries to establish a VPN tunnel with branch router, this Pcr key will be used. Then next step, configure IPSec. To configure IPSec, 4 simple steps. We need setup, create extended ACL, create IPSec transform set, create crypto map, apply crypto map to the public interface. At first, create extended ACL. For creating extended ACL, we use the command access list two types of access list, standard access list and extended access list. Better extended access list used for VPN. Access list extended access list range 100 to 199, 100 permit IP, permit IP, source IP to destination IP. Source IP is 10.0.0.0. Wildcard mask 0.255.255.255. Then destination IP 11.0.0, 11.0.0.0, wildcard mask 0.255.255.255. Create IPSec transform set, crypto ISAKMP, crypto ISAKMP policy okay, sorry. Then next step is create IPSec transform set. Creating IPSec transform set, use the command is crypto IPSec transform set. Creating IPSec transform set. Write set name. I apply my set name is my set. ESP hyphen 3DS 3DES space ESP hyphen MD5 hyphen HMAC. Create IPSec transform set command is complete. Then create crypto map. Creating crypto map command is crypto map any map name. I write my map name is my map. Any value, put any value 1 to 65,535. I apply 20. IPSec hyphen ISAKMP. Crypto IPSec transform set crypto IPSec transform set my set ESP hyphen 3DS ESP hyphen MD5 hyphen HMAC. Then creating crypto map. Creating crypto map using command is crypto map my map put any value 1 to 65,535. I put 20 value IPSec hyphen ISAKMP. Set pair. Set pair. Headquarter router configuring a pair with 60.1.1.2. 60.1.1.2 make pair with 60.1.1.2. Then set transform set transform set set name I write my set match address extended ACL range was 100. Exit. We have named our crypto map my map. The IPSec ISAKMP crypto map, my map. Then next step, apply crypto map to the public interface. The final step is to apply the crypto map to the outgoing interface of the router. Here the outgoing interface is serial 0 by 0 by 0. Then applying next step. Command is interface serial. This outgoing interface serial 0 by 0 by 0, 0 by 0 by 0. Crypto map, my map. Exit. Headquarter router VPN configuration is complete. Then I will configure the branch router and applying the command. First step, configure ISAKMP to establish the IKE. At first click CLI, then router enable privilege mode configuration terminal to entering the global configuration mode. First step is to configure an ISAKMP to establish the IKE. Crypto ISAKMP policy 20 authentication Pcr encryption 3DES hash MD5 group 1 lifetime 3600 exit. Then next command. Next we are going to define a Pcr key for authentication with our pair branch router by using the command. Using command crypto ISAKMP key Cisco 1 2 3. Cisco 1 2 3 address branch router with headquarter router 50.1.1.2 address. Headquarter router's public IP is 50.1.1.2. 50.1.1.2. Then next step. Every time headquarter router tries to establish a VPN tunnel with branch router, and branch router tries to establish a VPN tunnel with headquarter router, this Pcr key will be used. Then next step configure IPSec. To configuring IPSec, we need to set up the fourth step. First, create extended ACL. Creating extended ACL, we use the command access list 100 permit IP 10.0.0.0 এখানে branch router to headquarter router source IP 11.0.0.0 wildcard pass 0.255.255.255. Wildcard mask is inverse of subnet mask. This is the class A IP 11.0.0.0. Then subnet mask 255.0.0.0. Then wildcard mask is inverse of subnet mask 0.255.255.255. Source IP, then destination IP is 10.0.0.0 and wildcard mask 0.255.255.255. Then next step, access list command is complete. Then create IPSec transform set. Creating IPSec transform set command is crypto IPSec transform set. My set name was my set. ESP hyphen 3DES space ESP hyphen MD5 hyphen HMAC. Next, third step, create crypto map. For creating crypto map, using command is crypto map name was my map, value was 20, and IPSec hyphen ISAKMP. Set pair headquarter routers public IP 50.1.1.2. Set transform set my set. Match address extended ACL range I apply 100. exit. Creating cryptomap command is complete. Then next step. Next step is apply cryptomap to the public interface. The final step is to apply the cryptomap to the outgoing interface of the router. Here the outgoing interface is serial 0 by 0 by 1. This interface is serial 0 by 0 by 1. Interface applying cryptomap to the public interface. Command is interface. Outgoing interface is serial 0 by 0 by 1. Sorry. Interface serial SE 0 by 0 by 1. Enter. Cryptomap my map. আচ্ছা exit. My site IPSec VPN configuration is complete. Then verification. Okay. Finally, we have configured site VPN with IPSec. Verification VPN. Desktop. Command prompt ping 11.1.1.2 11.1.1.2 communication is okay. Then this PC desktop command from ping 10.1.1.2. This PC IP is 10.1.1.2. Communication is fine. Verification VPN CLI enable to privileged mode, show crypto ISAKMP status is active, connection ID 1088, state QM ideally, and then verification command show crypto ISAKMP policy global IKE policy encryption algorithm 3DES hash algorithm MD5 authentication method Pcr Key group 1 এবং lifetime 3600 per second. Then verification command show crypto map. My map 20 IPSec ISAKMP pair 60.1.1.2. Extended IP access list 100, access list 100, permit IP 10.0.0.0, 0.255.255.255, source IP and destination 11.0.0.0 and 0.255.255.255. Then next verification command, show crypto IPSec S. Status is active. Status is active. My VPN connection is okay. Next verification command, show run config. My VPN connection is okay. I hope this video contains is informative for you. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.